In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the trading panel in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started in your trading journey, understanding how to effectively use the trading panel on TradingView can truly enhance your trading experience. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll first need to head over to TradingView's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in tradingview.com. Once the page has loaded, you'll be greeted with TradingView's familiar interface. TradingView is a popular platform that provides real-time charts and market analysis, which can be overwhelming at first, but with a bit of guidance like this, you'll be maneuvering like a pro in no time. Next, you'll want to navigate to the search bar. The search option is typically located at the top of the page, easy to spot. Clicking on it will allow you to search for a wide range of financial instruments, from cryptocurrencies to stocks, futures, and more. Enter the security you're interested in and hit Enter. This action opens up a list of available charts tailored to your search query. After you've selected the asset you're keen on exploring, it's time to launch the chart. You do this by finding the Launch Chart button, which is clearly displayed, usually below the search results. Clicking on this button will open the chart for your chosen instrument, providing you with a more granular view of its performance over various timeframes. This is your digital canvas, where economic trends and patterns unravel. Once the chart is open, direct your attention to the bottom area of the chart interface. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Trading Panel. Clicking on this tab opens up the Trading Panel, your gateway to executing trades based on the analysis you've conducted up till now. The Trading Panel on TradingView is incredibly powerful, giving you access to several partnering brokers as well as trading options. Now, with the Trading Panel open, you have the option to select paper trading. For those unfamiliar, paper trading is a great way to practice and refine your strategies without financial risk. You'll be executing trades using virtual money, allowing you to learn the ropes and see how your strategies perform in real-world conditions, minus the fear of losing actual funds. To proceed, simply click the Connect button, which will activate your paper trading account. Within moments, you are connected, and you can begin placing trades, monitoring their performance, and adjusting your strategies accordingly. This setup provides a fantastic sandbox to test trading ideas or simply get familiar with TradingView's interface. With these steps, you have successfully set up and accessed the trading panel in TradingView. Take your time to explore, practice, and refine your trading approach. It's a process that can be adjusted as you progress and as you gain more confidence in your decisions. Happy trading!